In this video we're discussing commodities and more specifically silver and how you can trade it as a CFD through Moneta Markets. So what is a commodity? Well, typically it's categorized into agricultural, energy, or in this case metals, being basic goods or raw materials, as opposed to equities, which can be affected by very specific or microeconomic factors. Commodities are affected more broadly by global supply demand level factors typically. As major markets, they are generally liquid, though of course, like anything, they can have periods of exceptional volatility. So what about the silver CFD? Well, it actually tracks the current or spot price as opposed to many futures contracts which track the futures price. It is tradable 24 hours per day, Monday through Friday, and many people who like to trade gold or follow the gold market will know that the price of silver broadly follows the price of gold, being a similar commodity, although it can be much more volatile than gold. And so in most places you'll see silver quoted as XAG USD. So this is the spot silver versus USD contract. Now just to break that down, X means it's the exchange or spot/current market. AG is actually silver's chemical symbol, and USD naturally just means United States dollars, being the price that it's quoted in. Now, just like FX that trades in lot sizes, but even more so with commodities, it's very important to understand the basis of the price quotation and the quantities that you're actually exposed to using leverage via CFDs. So here in the MetaTrader platform, we can see, for example, that the price of silver versus US dollar is trading at $31.63.4 on the bid, that is. Now, the minimum trade size is 0.01, but the standard trade size is actually 5,000 ounces, or 5,000 times $31.63.4 in this case. So that means that if you took the minimum trade size, it's actually a 0.01 minimum trade or quantity size, which is actually equivalent to 5 ounces of silver, again priced in USD. So just to recap here we see an example of the bid price on XAG USD being $31.63.4 US. Your minimum trade size is 0.01. If you were to enter an order for a quantity of 1, that would actually be 5,000 times the per ounce price, again of $31.63.4. And so that means if you were to trade a minimum quantity, 0.01, that means you're trading 1/100th of the standard quantity of 5,000. So that means 0.01 equals 5 ounces. And that is the minimum amount by which you can increase or decrease your order size. We'll cover these and related concepts in more depth in future videos.